how to do the Photo-to-Sketch tutorial. For this one, what we're going to do is you're going to double click on the server, go under your name, find the image that you would like under Photos to make your Photo-to-Sketch. It's going to be one of them. I just don't remember which one I had. I think I had that one as photo. Nope, I had that one as PhotoSketch. Drag it into Photoshop PS on the up your document. First thing you want to do, you want to go File, Print. You always want to print a before picture to show the difference between the before and after. If it doesn't fit, you want to scroll down to Scale to Fit Medium. And then make sure it's Portrait or Landscape, whichever fits best, and hit Print. After you print, then you're going to go File, Save As, and you want to call this Photo-to-Sketch with your initials and save it in your folder. Now the first thing we're going to do is we want to duplicate this layer. So your layers palette is up. To duplicate the layer, you just do Command or Apple J, and it duplicates a layer for you. If your Windows or your layers palette's not open, you just go under Windows, and this is where you find all your palettes. Once you get that, you want to go under Image up here to Adjustments, and you want to go to Desaturate. Alright, once you get to Desaturate, it will turn the photo, the first layer, layer 1, into almost grayscale. Okay, and then you also want to duplicate this layer. So you do Command or Apple J, and it duplicates the layer. After I finish duplicating the layer, I'm going to come up here, and I want to go under I want to invert it. And I thought it was up here. Adjustment invert, which is Command I, which makes the white black and the black white. Alright, once you have it inverted, the next step on the layers palette, over here, it has normal. You want to change the normal down to color dodge, and it turns everything to white. Don't worry, we want to make sure that with the color dodge, after we do that, we're going to go under Filter up here at the top to Other to Minimum. It's going to open up a dialog box, and we want to set it to 1 pixel, which is already there, and you notice it starts looking like a little sketch. So you're going to hit OK. Once that's done, you're going to go onto the Layers palette, and you want to hold down the Option key on the keyboard. So you have the Option key on the keyboard held down, and you're going to go up here to Layers, and you're going to hit Merge Visible. And that should have put it all in a little layer, but kept the other layers there. Once you do Merge Visible, it will become layer 2 right above layer 1. So then I'm going to change the blend mode. So the blend mode here, multiply it, and I want 65%. You can change this around if you want, but 65 seems to be working pretty well. Then I'm going to take the background. I want to duplicate that layer, so I click on the background. I do Apple J, it makes a new background layer. I'm going to drag it to the top on the layers palette. And once I get it to the top, I'm going to change the mode to color. And when I color it, I want to add a little see-through, like 50%. So it looks like a colored sketch. Make sure you save it. And then you want to print it. We'll put it together with your before picture and your after picture. Don't turn it in until you have all 5 tutorials done and the collage done. Thank you.